Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz surrounding Samsung's upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. There's a lot to unpack about the new chipset, the Exynos 2500, and its potential impact on not just Samsung devices, but also on the future of Google Pixel smartphones. If you're eager to stay ahead of the curve in tech, stick around to the end of this video for all the details. The Samsung Galaxy S24 series has already captured a lot of attention, especially with its impressive performance and energy efficiency. This is largely thanks to the Exynos 2400 chipset, which powers these devices. According to recent reports from Business Korea, Samsung has been hard at work on the next evolution of this technology, the Exynos 2500, which is poised to be a game-changer. Interestingly, this next-generation chipset may not just be exclusive to Samsung smartphones. There are strong indications that Google might be interested in incorporating the Exynos 2500 into their future Pixel devices. This would mark a significant deepening of the partnership between Samsung and Google, particularly in the competitive landscape of smartphone technology. Earlier this month, various media outlets reported on the progress Samsung is making with its 3nm process technology, which is crucial for the production of the Exynos 2500 chipset. However, there have been some challenges along the way. The defect rate in the production process currently exceeds 80%, a figure that needs to be drastically reduced to below 40% for mass production to be viable. Despite these hurdles, Samsung remains confident. During the recent Samsung Foundry Forum, the company reassured stakeholders that everything is on track, with mass production expected to commence in the second half of this year. The significance of the Exynos 2500 chipset extends beyond just the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It is expected to form the backbone of this flagship model, which Samsung is likely to unveil early next year. But what makes this even more interesting is the potential use of this chipset in Google's future Pixel smartphones. For years, Samsung and Google have collaborated closely within the Android ecosystem. If Google does decide to integrate the Exynos 2500 into its Pixel line, it would signify a major shift in the smartphone market, highlighting a deeper level of trust and cooperation between these tech giants. In the highly competitive world of smartphones, Samsung's efforts to refine and enhance its Exynos chipsets are part of a broader strategy to maintain its edge. Consumers demand more power and efficiency from each new generation of smartphones, and Samsung's work on the Exynos 2500 is crucial in meeting these expectations. There has also been speculation about whether Samsung will continue its reliance on Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors, especially for markets outside of Korea. Reports from SamMobile suggest that the Snapdragon AG Gen 4 processor might still play a significant role in the Galaxy S25 Ultra, offering an alternative to the Exynos 2500 in certain regions. As we approach the anticipated launch of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the stakes are high. Samsung is not just competing against its usual rivals, but is also aiming to set new standards in the industry. The integration of the Exynos 2500 chipset, whether in Samsung's own devices or Google's Pixel smartphones, will be a critical factor in this race. If you're as excited as we are about the future of smartphone technology, be sure to stay tuned. We'll keep you updated with all the latest news, rumors, and leaks as we get closer to the official launch of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our upcoming content. See you in the next video, and until then, stay ahead of the curve in tech.